So today we're going down to a biker's paradise in Surrey. Roll the intro. Morning and welcome to another video, and today I'm just going to be taking you down to a biker's paradise in Surrey in the south of England. It's a lovely Sunday morning, and I thought I'd just bring you along with me. It's a place called Ryka's in the heart of Surrey. It's at the bottom of Box Hill in the Surrey Downs, and it's a big hangout for all bikers, especially at the weekend. There's all different types of bikes there, from Harleys, classics, naked bikes, sports bikes, you name it, they're there. And normally when the sun's out it's really busy, so I thought I'd just take you out for a ride with me down there and just have a look at what bikes we've got. It's just going to be a quick walk around to show you a little bit of the atmosphere. So it's got a cafe there, it's got lots of beverages, your usual cafe food, so you can get a nice bacon sausage roll, breakfast, whatever. And as I say, yeah, it's just a really good place to hang out on a Sunday morning when the sun's out, or any time on a Sunday. Have a look around, have a chat with all bikers, get the piss taken out of you because you're a Harley rider, but hey, it's all tongue-in-cheek and fun. And as you can see, it's a lovely part of the world down here, especially when the sun's out. The only trouble when the sun's out on a Sunday morning, you get all the Sunday drivers out and you just got to keep your wits about you even more, because half of them don't know what they're doing. So yeah, although it's a nice time to go down to Ryka's and places like that, because there's lots of like-minded people around, the trouble is you have to deal with other idiots on the road. So I much prefer riding during the week when everybody's at work and the roads are a little bit more quiet, and yeah, that's just more fun. But obviously you don't get the community down there during the week, so it's something you need to put up with. But lovely country lanes, out on my sport glide, perfect. Sun's out, this is what the life is all about, without any shadow of a doubt. So yeah, we'll just have a wander around so you can see, and then we'll head off home to the family and get on with the normal Sunday activities for the afternoon. So this is Ryka's, as I say, it's Sunday morning, sun's out, and as you can see it's a fairly good turnout. It's not as many as I expect, not as many as I expected to be here. I thought there'd be a lot more people here, but it's a nice amount, good variety of bikes, from all types of bikes, as I said before. But it's just a nice place. I've just been chatting with a guy of a Triumph Street Triple, and he'd taken the piss out of the Harley Davidson, saying he'd never ever owned a Harley Davidson, and now his bike can get close to 100 miles an hour in second gear, and Harley ain't got anything like that. And obviously telling him that's not what Harley Davidson is about. And I had another Harley Davidson rider in the conversation backing me up, So yeah, it was good fun banter. But yeah, it's funny how people's perception of Harley is that they're slow, they're not good to ride, they don't handle well, and of course they don't compare to a lot of the naked bikes or the sport bikes, but that's not what they're designed for. But yeah, it was fun, and as you can see, there's lots of different people down here, and it's a real nice place, and it's amazing with the biker community. They're all so welcoming, all of them. I get that with Harley Davidson, because it is a Harley Davidson community, and wherever you go with Harley Davidson and the chapter, they are super welcoming. But it's any biker really. Obviously you're going to get your idiots in life, but that's life. You get that in any walk of life whatsoever. But yeah, most of the riders here come and look at your bike, ask about your bike. It's just nice. It's say inclusive, welcoming, and it's just a nice place to hang out if you're into your bikes for an hour or so on a weekend. So that was Ryka's, my local bike meet place really. Hope you enjoyed that. Now I'd be really interested if you've got similar sort of situation around you, if you've got a local place where all the bikers hang out and you get the same welcoming experience I do, whether you're on a Harley Davidson or whatever bike. So yeah, let me know in your comments. It'd be really interesting to know. And if you're in the UK, especially the south of England, let me know about where you hang out and whereabouts it is, and I'll try and get along there, because I'm always open for new experiences, go different places, meet different people, and to see what the culture's like in different areas. So yeah, if you could let me know in your comments, that'd be absolutely fantastic. Obviously if you're not in the south of England, it doesn't matter, just let me know, because I would really be very interested in what your experiences are. But yeah, just another quick video taking you along with me, riding through the Surrey Downs and showing you my local bike meet. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please press like, I really would appreciate that. And if you could, hit that subscribe button, that really helps my channel, and I really appreciate that. And hit that notification bell to be notified of any other future videos that I've got coming up, of which there are plenty, of life on the Harley Davidson, life on my Sport Glide, various test rides, product reviews and so on and so forth. But I'd just like to say I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this. It really helps. If you've got any questions, hit those comments below and I'll come back to you as soon as I possibly can. It's really good to interact with everybody, and it makes it all worthwhile what I'm doing here. So thanks again. I hope to see you again soon, but in the meantime, ride safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you next time.